how to log out of all devices on Facebook. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of all devices on Facebook, whether you're using an Facebook application that is on iOS or Android or desktop version. I'm going to show you how you can access the Meta Account Center, review active sessions, and log out selectively or universally. So I'm doing it on iOS device. If you're having Android or you're doing it on computer, you can follow similar steps. So first of all, open the Facebook application and then you gotta click on menu over here. Once you do so, you gotta head over and just navigate to settings and privacy. Within settings and privacy, you'll be able to see settings, so simply click on it. And once you do so, you'll be able to see more in Account Center, so click on it. And then what you gotta do is simply scroll down, click on password and security. And after that, you gotta click on where you're logged in. Once you do so, you'll be able to see all of the devices where you are logged in, all of the active sessions. For example, if you wish to remove any, you can simply click on that and click on remove from this device. For example, you're gonna click on it, scroll down, and here you can see select devices to log out. Click on it, and then you can simply select the device from where you wish to log out. If you wish to select all, you can click on select all, and the Facebook account will be just simply logged out from all of the devices. So that is how you can log out of all devices on Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.